This question states, suppose there is a hunter. Okay.
Yes.
There's a hunter who is trying to shoot there is a tree. So otherwise there is a wall like this, and a monkey is hanging to this wall. Initially, the hunter is exactly pointing towards that monkey,
Hmm.
and he fired a bullet.
Hmm.
The moment he fired the bullet, the monkey actually left this rope and jumped. Jumped means just initial velocity 0 for this. So now the question is, will the bullet hit the monkey? This is the question.
No, sir.
Why?
Because he is aiming, no, sir. Because at that moment it'll go fast. So that means that he has to hit somewhere down in the direction.
Okay. No, the monkey actually left the rope. The monkey is also falling.
That's what, no, sir. If it is falling, he has to shoot in the direction which monkey falls, no, sir.
No. It will hit. The answer is it will hit here. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Why it will hit? Suppose relative motion, let me see. Let me sit on monkey and observe.
Okay.
So if I observe on monkey velocity should be eliminated. That initial velocity is anyway 0 to monkey. That should be
Yes.
reversed and given to this bullet. That means bullet is again coming in this direction only with
Yes,
bullet velocity. But bullet has an acceleration g downwards, and monkey is also an acceleration g downwards when the monkey left the rope.
Okay.
That means relative acceleration to monkey acceleration should be nullified and
Yes, sir.
reversed the direction and given to bullet.
Yes, sir.
That means bullet will be cancelled. Bullet acceleration will be 0.
Okay.
That means bullet does not have a relative acceleration. So whichever direction that bullet is pointed out, that direction it will go. And the monkey is at rest in relative world. So it will come and hit the monkey.
Oh, cool.
If you want to write a problem also see. Bullet vertical distance is how much?
Vertical distance.
UYT minus half GT square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal distance is UX into T.
Yes, sir.
The monkey's vertical distance is how much in T time? Half GT square will be traveled downwards, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means the monkey, how much it traveled downwards, the same thing bullet also traveled, isn't it? You can see or not.
Yes, sir.
This UIT will remain fixed.
Constant.
UIT and UXT is what? Exactly this direction only, na?
Yes, sir.
It will go and hit the monkey. How much ever displacement that bullet will have downwards, and the same monkey will also have. So that means either the bullet might hit here, the bullet might hit here, some point it might hit, but the point of hitting may change depending upon the velocity of the bullet, but it will definitely hit.
Yes, sir.
You got it? Because relative acceleration is 0, the relative velocity initially will not change. V relative is equal to U relative into U relative plus A relative into T. A relative is 0, that means V relative is equal to U relative. U relative is in the direction of pointing out the monkey. That means after some time also it will hit the monkey. That the velocity will not change, velocity direction will not change. You got it?
So that means that for everything gravity acts downward only, no, sir. So that means in every case something
Not
which is
every case. I taught you some 2-3 cases. In that cases, both the particles having g acceleration downwards, relative acceleration is 0. So that means initial relative velocity will not change with time. In what are the 3 cases I taught you?
so
Which case?
matters.
Which case is one ball falling down one ball, this case, ball freely falling and ball thrown with a velocity u, they will collide at time. So relative acceleration is 0 here.
Yes, sir.
And again, a student standing on the tower and a student on the downwards, both aiming at each other. Initially
Yes.
they are aiming, so that will again they'll aim at each other. The relative acceleration is 0 for both the balls, both the stones.
Yes,
Here
sir.
also similarly, instead of monkey they can give you apple. Apple has suddenly fall down. Will it hit the apple or not in that case?
Understood, sir. Completely understood.
Then we'll see important thing, Rain Man problems.
Okay.
In Rain Man problems, two important things you need to take note. Rule number 1. If the man is stationary or at rest, if the man is stationary or at rest, then the man will experience velocity of rain with respect to ground. Rule
Yes, sir.
number 2. If the man is moving, he will experience man is moving, he will experience velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay. These two are the note points you need to consider.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me. What happens is here. Suppose 2 points you need to remember.
Yes,
If
sir.
the man is at rest, in it, and description of rain is given to you, for suppose.
Yes, sir.
That rain is a real rain. Whatever he is experiencing, that is actually the experience of him with respect to ground also.
Okay.
So if, suppose there's a ground, man is there, just he's at rest. Suppose rain is falling like this. So whatever he's experiencing reality of the rain because he is at rest. He is an inertial frame of reference.
Yes, sir.
Ground is also at rest. How the rain actually falling, he'll observe the real velocity of rain, real angle of rain, everything. So suppose if man is actually moving, or car or anything, it's moving. Now whatever the rain he experiences is not actual velocity. It's not actual velocity. Not actual velocity. It is actually the velocity of rain with respect to man.
Yes, sir.
Velocity of rain with respect to man. That means, suppose if you are staying in a train is at rest.
Okay.
And there is a scooty going on, and you can see that scooty is going on with 10 meter per second velocity, suppose 5 meter per second per velocity.
Okay.
What you are seeing, 5 meter per second, if it is going, you will feel whatever you are seeing is 5 meter per second. Whatever real velocity is also 5 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
But in case if train is going with 10 meter per second velocity and you are sitting in the train.
Yes, sir.
And you are observing.
It'll move
So,
with,
it will move backwards with velocity 5 meter per second, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Now, is it the real velocity of the scooty?
No.
It is actually the velocity of the scooty with respect to
The man who's in the frame.
who is sitting in the train. You understood these 2 points?
Yes, sir.
If rain is falling, whatever the description you got is actually the real rain if the man is at rest and observing.
Okay.
If man is in motion, whatever rain is actually the description of the rain with respect to the man. These 2 points should be noted.
Understood, sir.
Then let us see some questions so that
Okay.
apply the things and see the questions. Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
I'll just try to solve the question. A man is walking. Man is walking with 3 meters per second due east.
Yes, sir.
Rain is falling, so man is walking. So man is in motion or at rest?
Motion, sir.
Okay. Man is at motion. Whatever rain description is what? Is the velocity of the rain?
He'll experience the velocity of rain with respect to man.
Or with respect to man, whatever the velocity is there, that he'll experience.
Yes, sir.
Next, find the direction in which man should hold the umbrella so that rain does not wet him. Okay.
Okay.
Man is walking with 3 meters per second due east. Suppose this is east. If I consider, just I consider, man is walking with 3 meters per second due east. Okay. Rain is falling vertically downwards with 4 meters per second. So he has given the rain real velocity is given here. Rain information he gave. He did not tell man will experience like this. Rain
Yes.
velocity is given. Real velocity is given. So rain is falling vertically downwards with how much?
4 meters per second.
4 meters per second. Okay. Now, what is the answer? How will a man experience the rain? He will experience the rain with respect to
Ground.
no. If a man is in motion, he will experience the rain with respect to
Man. He will with respect to man only, no, sir.
with respect to man. Okay. So now rain velocity is this here, like this. Like this. This is VR. Man velocity is like this, VM.
Yes, sir.
So what we need to find out velocity of the rain with respect to man.
We are. Yes, sir.
Is this what he experiences or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So VRM we need to find out. So what we should do to find out VRM, what we should do? We should stop man. With
Yes,
respect to
sir.
man means what? What we should do?
We should have to
Stop
stop.
man.
Yes, sir.
Stop man and give the velocity.
To rain.
How? How?
Sir?
How we should give the man velocity to rain?
Because we stopped the man, no, sir.
Man, and then how? We should reverse it.
Yeah, we have to reverse it.
Reverse it and
Give to rain.
rain. How much? 3 meters per second.
Second.
reversed it, and I gave. So now, what is the velocity here? Relative velocity of man with respect to rain. This is 3, this is 4.
4,
Is this like this or not?
5.
This will be 5. Oh, got it. What is this theta? From vertically, if you see,
1 second, sir.
tan theta is equal to,
Theta. 4 by,
here tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. From
3 by
vertically,
5.
if you're taking, opposite
sir.
side is 3 vertical. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 5. Actually, 3 by 5, okay, we don't know. Sorry. Tan inverse of 3 by 4.
3 by 4, sir.
3 by 4. What is tan inverse of 3 by 4? 37 degrees.
Oh, yes, sir.
So that means the answer is, so the rain is falling in which direction? Like this?
Yes, sir.
This east in a horizontal direction. So then how will rain fall? This is a vertically, like this it is falling, isn't it?
Hmm.
Towards west, 37 degrees.
Sir, I did not understand the direction, sir. Once explain it.
Okay. Then suppose this is like this, you have consider this is x-axis. This entire xz plane, the road is there, you consider.
Yes, sir.
In y direction, the train is coming. So man is going in which direction? Man is going in positive x direction. East, I consider this one. This is
Yes.
west, this is north, this is south.
Okay.
Rain is falling in y direction. So rain is falling like this. Negative direction. How much? Like this. Rain is falling like this. So this is rain is 4 meter per second. Man is 3 meter per second. So what we should do? These are real velocities. But what actually man is in motion. So whatever he experiences is experience of rain with respect to man. So what we should do? Experience, because question is asked as how the man should hold the umbrella. That means whatever he is experiencing in that direction, he will hold the umbrella or not.
Yes, sir.
So we need to find out the velocity of the rain with respect to man. So what we should do? A technique that we learned. Man, you should stop.
We should have to reverse it and then give it to rain.
Reverse it, negative x direction, and give it. What will be the resultant direction in the
West.
in this direction? It will be or not. This is not z axis. This is in xy plane only. It will be there
Okay.
because this is minus x. This is minus y.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So angle is how much? 37 degrees. So that means man, how he should hold umbrella? Exactly opposing it. He should hold the umbrella or not?
Yes, sir.
Rain is falling like this. The man should hold umbrella like this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how much angle he should hold? This angle we found it to be 37 degrees. So man should tilt an angle with how much?
37 degrees.
37 degrees towards
West.
east. Na? The rain is falling towards west.
Okay. East, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man should towards east.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
The answer is, let me check the answer. You see this question?
Yes, sir.
Now you see the question carefully. To a man walking at the rate of
3 km/h.
a man walking at the rate of 3 km/h. If the rain, what is this?
The rain appears to fall vertically downwards.
That means what it is? Is it the real velocity of the rain?
Yes, sir.
Carefully you see. Man is walking. So whatever rain he experiences is what?
It's not the thing. He will experience because he's in motion, no sir.
So he'll experience relative velocity of rain
Man, with
with
respect.
respect to man.
Yes, sir.
Then
Understood.
when he increases his speed to
6 kilometers.
uh,
Then it appears that okay, he's given angle with vertical. Then he's asking to
uh,
put speed of rain.
that means both the cases what velocity is given? Velocity of the rain with respect to
Respect to man who is in
next
motion.
answer. Did he give real velocity of rain?
No, he did not.
No. So from both the conditions, what do we need to find out?
We'll have to find out the real velocity of rain.
Then if real velocity of rain, you know, will you be able to find out the speed of rain or not?
Yes, sir.
You understood the problem?
Understood, sir.
Let me say, use the basic fundamentals and again solve this.
Okay.
So first thing is man is walking at the rate of, so man, if suppose he is walking like this, 3 kilometers per hour. The rain is appearing. Appearing means what? I don't. Rain is appearing. If man is walking like this, so man's velocity should be reversed and added. After
Yes.
reversing and adding, how rain is appearing?
Then it'll appear.
It is appearing vertically downwards.
Yes, sir.
That means rain might be falling in which direction? In this direction or not?
Yes, sir.
This direction or not?
Hmm.
You got it? Why I took that direction?
Yes,
Because
sir.
after reversing and adding, it should come like this. That means initially rain might be going at this velocity, this direction or not.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
That real velocity of rain, I am taking this one. Okay, for vertical, I am taking like this. This is real velocity of rain. So now it has two components.
Yes, sir.
One is Vrx and one other is
VRY.
Vry. So, but when first case I'll take, I just took as rain like this, Vr. So that means Vrx, Vry. You observe how I'm solving this case. Then first case, how we are observing rain? Vertically.
Downwards.
That means after man's velocity is reversed and added, how it is look only vertically it is looking. That means x direction velocity of rain has become what? 0.
0. Yes, sir.
Then what I will do, first case is I will stop the man and reverse it and give it to rain. Reverse it and give it to rain means like this only or not?
Yes, sir.
After reversing and giving it, what happened? Vertical velocity is only existing. That means horizontal velocity is getting
Cancel.
cancel out means what? Horizontal
0.
component of rain should be equal to
Vertical.
Vrx. Matlab, V positive x direction velocity should be equal to negative x direction or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means what? Vrx should be equal to how much?
3 kilometers.
Did you understand it or not? You tell me.
Explain it once again, sir. I understood, but I think I should understand it once again.
Okay. Let me see. So I assumed rain to be falling like this. Real rain, not estimated
Yes.
rain. Now it will have two components. One is Vrx, one is Vry, vertical velocity. Okay. This is real velocity of rain. Now man, first case is what? Man is going with 3 kilometers per hour.
Yes, sir.
So whatever man experiences is what? He will experience with respect to man. Rain will he will experience rain with respect to man. So
Man.
how we should find out? How can we find out rain with respect to man? We should stop the rain, give the stop the man, and give the man's velocity to rain in reverse direction. So
Yes,
that
sir.
means this is the velocity of the man, reversed 3 kilometers per hour. So now this is man's velocity. This is rain's velocity. So for both of them, resultant has come what? Like this. question it is given. When the man is walking at 3 km per hour, the rain appears to fall vertically downwards. The rain is falling like this, appearing.
Yes, sir.
Both of the resultant is vertically means the rain horizontal. Rain has two components, isn't it?
Hmm.
Vrx, Vry. So this two might be cancelled out or not. If these two are not cancelled, will the rain appear only in vertical direction?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
That is like, I'll tell you. Suppose you have you travel like this, and your friend has met you like here, and your friend asked you to travel along with her, and you came till here.
Hmm.
That means your displacement is looking like what? Like this, from here to
Hmm.
here.
Yes, sir.
How it has come? Here, how much x distance you traveled forward, that much x distance your friend has made you to walk again backward.
Yes, sir.
You understood? Here rain is falling like this. That means x and y, and that x is cancelled by what? Man.
This-
Man's walking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you understood the question?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So I reversed it and added. After adding, only vertical is coming. That means horizontal should become what? 0.
Yes, sir.
If horizontal should become 0 means left side should be equal to right side.
Yes, sir.
That means Vrx should be equal to how much?
3.
3 kilometers
Yes, sir.
per hour. You got it. Still we need to find out what? Vry.
Yes, sir.
So we will try to find out next condition. So how much is his, so again rain is falling like this only. So it will
Yes.
have Vrx. Again real velocity. This means Vry. So now man is going it with which speed? Velocity.
6 kilometers per hour.
What should I do? I should stop it,
Yes, sir.
reverse it, and add it.
Hmm.
So if I added what here 6 kilometers per hour. So this Vrx in the first case we found out how much?
3.
3. So the net is what? Net is in which direction? Horizontally.
Yes, sir.
How
So
much?
this was 3 only it should be, no, sir.
Towards left side or not?
Yes, sir. Towards left.
This is what? How much? Vry. This
Yes,
Vry.
sir.
Vry and Vrx. How much angle the man is experiencing?
45 degrees.
So man is experiencing at an angle how much? 45 degrees with the vertical. So the real
Yes.
rain is how much? If this is 45, tan 45 is equal to what? Tell me.
1.
Opposite side, that is 3 kilometers per hour divided by. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
You tell me if you did not understand. Now the rain is appearing like this.
Yes, sir.
After the man is walking with 6 kilometers per hour. So x direction I found out. From first condition I found out x. Now from second condition I found out what is going in the x direction net. Then tan 45 is equal to 3 kilometers per hour divided by Vry or not.
Yes, sir.
So that means tan 45 is what? How much?
1.
1. That means Vry is equal to how much?
3.
Vrx is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. Vry is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. So now what is the velocity of the rain?
Under root of 3 square plus 3 square.
That is 3 root 2.
18.
Velocity of the rain is equal to 3 root 2. Speed of rain is equal to 3 root 2.
Meter per second.
3 root 2 kilometer per hour.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The answer is 3 root 2 kilometer per hour. You got it? How I am solving these questions?
Understood, sir. Sir, then it looks very complicated, sir. Is there any alternative method for this?
Why it looks complicated?
I don't know. Maybe I should practice more to find it easy.
No. If you did not understand that, there might be something you are missing out. You see here in this question, what did I do? The man to a man walking at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour, the rain appears to fall vertically downwards. It is appearing. It is not really the rain velocity.
Yes, sir.
So net velocity after relative velocity of man. Man is moving means what? Here man is moving. That means whatever he experiences rain, velocity of rain with respect to man.
Yes, sir.
So man is going like this 3 kilometers per hour. So rain is appearing. Appearing means what? This is what? Velocity of the
Rain.
with respect to man.
Yes, sir.
Actually, velocity of rain might be in which direction? Suppose I'll just in problematic ways you see. I'll consider velocity of rain, real velocity of rain is equal to Vrx I cap plus Vry j cap. Do you accept it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Velocity of the man is equal to 3 I cap. Okay.
Hmm.
So now, after what we need to find out velocity of the man with respect to rain or not?
Yes, sir.
Velocity of the man with respect to rain means what? We'll subtract velocity of the man minus velocity of the rain or not?
Yes, sir.
If you subtract, what we will get? 3 minus
V
Vrx I cap
cap
plus
minus V
minus Vry j
J
cap.
cap.
Velocity of the velocity of the rain with respect to man we need to find out.
Yes, sir.
That means reverse it will be velocity Vrx minus 3 into I cap minus plus V
Plus
I
V
cap.
R.
You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, but how it is appearing? It is falling vertically downwards. That means horizontal velocity of this is how much? Velocity of rain with respect to man is how much?
Man.
How much? Horizontal velocity. It is appearing to be vertically means horizontally it is not appearing. Only
Yes,
vertically
sir.
it is happening. So horizontally is how much? 0.
Yes, sir.
The relative velocity horizontally is 0. So that means
Yes.
this should become 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Vrx is equal to 3. One thing we found out easily. Second case. Second case is what? Same velocity of rain with respect to man is how much? Vrx minus how much? 6.
6.
Next case.
Yes. Vrx minus 6 I cap minus
Plus
Vry J cap.
No. This is how much? Here how much angle he is observing?
Tan 45.
That angle is tan theta is equal to tan 45 is tan theta is equal to what? Y component by x component or not?
Yes, sir.
Y component is what? Vry. X component is what? Vrx minus
Vrx minus 6.
6. That is Vrx is 3 kilometers already we found it in the beginning. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Matlab, sirf magnitude if we'll take, we'll get the angle
3.
easily. This is tan 45 is how much? Vr is equal to
3.
3 kilometers per hour. That means Vry is 3 kilometers per hour, Vrx is 3 kilometers per hour. The magnitude of rain is what? Vrx whole square plus Vry whole square. That is equal to 3√2 kilometers per hour. This I described in the problem. Just I showed it in the diagram.
This method I understood, sir.
There also I did not do anything different from this. The rain is falling like this somewhere I took randomly.
Yes, sir.
Now after adding the man's velocity like this 3 kilometers per hour, then the resultant rain is falling in this direction.
Yes, sir.
That means x direction velocity is cancelled. How can it be cancelled? This rain will have 2 components. The one component got cancelled, horizontal component got cancelled by this 3 kilometers per hour. That means rain horizontal component is 3 kilometers per hour. I got it. Vrx.
Yes, sir.
By using the second condition, I found out Vry angle. Then I just found out √over Vrx square plus Vry square.
Show me the screen.
got it?
Sir. Yes, sir.